Ya gavana iko. Shuka ya gavana. Shuka ya gavana. Shuka ya gavana.
Yeah, like that, yes.
Yes, correct.
There too.
Yes, she did.
You remember Mama knew about her? You were having breakfast and she was saying about She was here. Washington.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Yes, we can. Your family.
I haven't chose yet, but I don't know. I'm looking forward to it. In Seattle.
Very happy about our family. Yeah, they're very happy about our family. Yes.
I'm 18.